Around the globe, hundreds of factory trawlers delivers efficient and competitive onboard seafood processing of fish and shellfish with plants from Carsoe. With knowledge and expertise built through many years of experience, Carsoe is the worldwide market leader in compact and less labour-intensive production facilities. We build the key elements of our turnkey solutions in-house in Carsoe factories in Denmark, Norway, United Kingdom and Seattle, USA. Our primary goal is to make the most of very compact arrangements, aiming at plant designs facilitating cleaning and for a high degree of automation. A huge product range gently handles the catch all the way from sorting to freezing and palletizing, of course with full traceability. A new project always begins with a thorough evaluation of the production needs of a trawler. Carsoe ensures that the processing capacity and finished product are strictly in accordance with the individual requirements of each trawler. We thoroughly test all equipment before installation on the trawler. After building your plant, we take pride in a high level of service with a 24/7 worldwide support and spare part delivery. Carsoe ensures that your factory always delivers. Contact Carsoe today to hear about the world's most competitive seafood processing systems.